Hey guys, Ayub here from ViralWhirl. Now, in this video, I just want to explain to you guys, just like the title says, how you can earn money on YouTube with only 1,000 subscribers. And not only that, but you'll also be building a business at the same time. So, most of you guys know how to earn money on YouTube. You need to meet the threshold of 1K subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. However, that's not what I'm going to talk about in this video, because even if you meet that threshold, you won't be making enough anyways, because to make money, you need views and a lot of views. Now, for me, I would say the best way to monetize a 1,000 subscriber channel is having true fans. So if you've read the book by Kevin Kelly called 1,000 True Fans, he talks about the same concept of having 1,000 true fans. Okay, if you haven't read that, I do suggest you go read it. It's a great read. So using this formula, you don't need to have 1 million subscribers. You don't need 1 million people on your landing page. You don't need to promote your content to 1 million people. All you need to have is true fans. But first, let's talk about what a true fan is. Basically, a true fan is anyone who would buy anything that you produce. It's diehard fans that would come out and drive to your live show if it was 500 miles away. And you only need 500 of these true fans to make a living on YouTube. The original is 1,000 true fans. However, I say 500 because if you get 1,000 subscribers, half of those would be your quote-unquote true fans. So here's how the math works. Let's say you build a channel on YouTube about fitness, and within that channel you have 1,000 subscribers, and 500 of those subscribers are your true fans. They look up to you, they want to be just like you, you give them fitness tips, they listen to you, you give them help with workouts, they go out and do the same workouts, you influence them. Now, to make a living, all you got to do is release a fitness program for $97, and those 500 true fans will buy. At $97, that's $48,500, almost $50,000 a year from doing what you love, what you're passionate about, and that's a realistic number, guys. I'm not going to sit here and tell you you can make $1 million, but you can easily make $50,000 a year by having these 500 true fans. And if you want, you could sell that program at double the price, so at $197, and that'll net you $100,000 a year. It depends on how you want to price it. So the higher you price a program, the easier you get to a bigger goal or a bigger salary. Now, let me show you guys a live example of this. Okay, guys, so the best example for this would be Kino Body. So if you guys don't know, I think most of you guys would know who this is. So this guy has a channel on YouTube about fitness. Basically, all he talks about is fitness. As you can see from those videos, he's hitting people's pain points. Just like I said, to get the subscribers, he already built a subscriber base of 497,000 subscribers from these types of videos: how to maximize fat loss, how to stop binge eating, how to master fat loss. So all he talks about is basically shredding and fat loss, how to get big, or how to lose weight. And this is how he monetized it. He monetized it by doing this. As you can see, he doesn't get that much views, okay? I mean, he gets views, but not as much as people that have 1 million subscribers. So you see these people all about YouTube. You see these people on YouTube with 1 million subscribers, 5 million, 10 million subscribers, and you say, wow, they make a lot of money. They make that YouTube money. But trust me, this guy is making way more than any one of those YouTubers that are making big YouTube money, because he actually has a real business. He has a real brand, which is called Kino Body Fitness. So on this website, he basically sells fitness programs. He sells fitness programs, and as of now, I think he's selling supplements. I just seen that a long time ago when I was watching him. He wasn't selling supplements, but there you go. He's selling supplements. If you guys didn't know, supplements in the fitness industry make a lot of money, okay? And he has fitness programs. As you can see, if you want to get lean or get muscle, he has fitness programs. He has $49. These are just recipes of his. He has a shredding program, $69, $89, $49. Basically, different programs for different types of people, for women, for men. And he's built this business right off his YouTube channel. He's smart about this. He didn't go for the route of trying to get views on YouTube to make AdSense money or anything like that. He's focusing on building a business, and that's exactly what he did. And I'm pretty sure this guy makes 8 figures a year off doing this. Obviously, now that he's added the supplements, he's definitely making 8 figures a year. not 7 but 8 figures a year from doing this. And like I said, when doing YouTube, the worst thing you could do is rely on AdSense money, because AdSense money is really volatile. Like, one month you could be making a lot of money, and then the other month you could be making shit money. It's not really stable as building a real business and just using YouTube for leverage, basically just to get customers or get those true fans that are going to buy your program or are going to buy your supplement or are going to buy whatever product that you're promoting. So yeah, guys, this is one of the channels that's actually following the 1,000 true fans paradigm or model. So with the 1,000 true fans paradigm, it literally works for every single niche, whether it's fitness, sewing, entrepreneurship, finance, etc. As long as you have a passion or have knowledge in a subject, you can start a YouTube channel. You could make videos on people's pain points within that subject, build a following, and monetize that following with releasing a program, a course, or an album, a tour. I've actually uploaded a full course on YouTube for free. Okay, you can check it out. It's gonna be on the upper right of this video. Go watch it. It's like 2 hours long, explaining how you could do this exact method step by step, so you guys can check it out and see how to start. And this also works with music, guys. So if you do music, if you have a channel about music on YouTube, if you're a singer, if you do covers, it also works for music. If you guys know who Nipsey Hussle is, R.I.P., he was the first person to ever sell a mixtape. If you didn't know, nobody sells mixtapes, okay? They're free. But he already had a fan base, and he already had the true fans. So he sold his mixtape for $100, and like 1,000 people bought it. He made $100,000 off a mixtape, which is crazy. But like I said, once you have true fans, you will never fail to make money or make a living. So let me actually break it down to you guys step by step. First things first is you need to find a niche or subject that you're knowledgeable in. And once you have that, you start a YouTube channel. And on that YouTube channel, you basically make videos tackling pain points. And once people start checking out your content, they'll subscribe, they'll join your email list, and that's where you'll build the following, the true fans. And once you have the true fans, all you got to do is release a program, a course that will help them succeed in whatever subject that you're teaching in a short amount of time, because that's why people buy courses in the first place. They want to go from A to Z in a short span, and that's how you'll make a living. Now, as I've said before, if 500 people buy your course at $97, that's almost $50,000 a year. And we didn't account for new fans that start seeing the channel or subscribing to the channel, or if you start advertising on Facebook and Instagram, that'll bring in way more revenue. But yeah, guys, I'd say the best way to make money on YouTube is by having a set amount of true fans and advertising to them something that will benefit them. It's a win-win situation. So yeah, guys, if you have any questions regarding this video, make sure to comment them down below, and I'll try to address them in my next video. And that's it for today. See you next time.